G'day guys, this is an interesting one. I'm not sure if I made a video on this. Suzuki Alto, Daihatsu Suzuki Alto. This unit was replaced, okay? Which means that this is the second unit that the car's had. What the symptom obviously of this is, for those that are not aware, in the old days these were sprung. This is more of a, it's not a solid state circuit. It's got resistors sandwiched in here. Maybe it is sort of solid state, but usually it's this controls the fan speed 1, 2, 3, 4 by introducing resistance. When they fail, your fan, usually the symptom is the fan will work on full speed, on full fan power, but nothing else. What's interesting is that I've actually soldered this once. I have to say it was maybe a little hasty. The customer was here and I was sort of, you know, just pull the glove box out, solder it in 5 minutes and put it back in, and it blew again. But it is indicating to me maybe that the blower motor's taking high amperage. I'm not gonna check for that right now. I'm just gonna, the way I'll check it is if this blows again, I'll know it's excessive, but it is very repairable when this contact just breaks. And this time I've sort of cleaned it up better, made a contact at the bottom. I've put it in here and pushed this down. Now you don't want that touching the board, but yeah, you want to sort of create a base underneath in the designated area, not let it spill over onto the other part, and then create another contact point here, press it down and join them together. It'll be interesting actually to see if this holds up, but it is, especially in these times of you know, economic turmoil, you're going to want to be fixing this and not spending apparently over $300 they spent on this, and it's not very old either. Is there a manufacture date on it? And even that wouldn't tell me. It's not something that goes often. You'd find the manufacturers would have this in stock for years. Look at that, do not repair. How funny is that? I've never seen that before. Do not repair, okay. Anyway, I will now introduce a bit more clearance under here, and that'll give it a test. It's certainly very, very well soldered on. And I'll give it a test. I'll just pause the video and test it with you. So yeah, we've got fan number 1, which is barely even perceivable. Fan number 2, working. Fan number 3, working. Fan number 4. So it is very repairable. Okay. All right, guys. Bye.